Here's a challenge. The solution to the inequality, the absolute value of ax minus b is less than or equal to 7 is shown. Here is the solution graphed. What are the values of a and b? So ax minus b is less than or equal to 7 doesn't give us any information about the center and the distance. So let's try and rewrite that with a coefficient of 1. Let's try and factor out from ax minus b that coefficient of a. That would give us a times the absolute value of x minus b over a is less than or equal to 7. And if we divide by a, then that gives us the absolute value of x minus b over a is less than or equal to 7 over a. Now that there's a coefficient of 1, we have our x minus c is less than or equal to d format. So here we can see that the distance d is 7 over a, but we know first from our graph that the distance, if we have solutions r and s, is going to be the absolute value of s minus r over 2, which is the absolute value of 3.5 over 2, which is 3.5 over 2, which we know is also 7 over a. And if we use cross products, we can find that 3.5a equals 14, and divide to give us a equals 4. So that is our first value. Now b we can find from the center. So the center, c, is found by r plus s over 2. So negative 1.5 plus 2 over 2 is 0.5 over 2, which is 1/4. So we know that the center b over a is 1/4, which we already knew that a equals 4. Therefore, b equals 1 comes from the numerator. So there's our other value. So a equals 4, b equals 1. So our answer is choice A.